Hello class 7. Today we are solving question number 2 of exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. The question is organize the following marks in a class assessment in a tabular form. These are the marks जैसे 4, 6, 7, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 2, 6, 2, 5, 1, 9, 6, 5, 8, 4, 6 and 7. How many students are there? Let's count. These are students are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 students. These are the marks of 20 students. So first of all, we have to arrange these marks into a tabular forms. So the lowest marks. So the lowest marks is 1. So how will represent in tally marks? 1. And how many times 1 occur? It is only one time. The frequency is 1. And now 2 is how many times 2 is there? 2 is 2 times. So we will draw just 2 lines here. So the frequency will be 2. Then 3, how many times is 3? 1 time. So it is 1 time. In tally marks we will draw only one line and the frequency is 1. Now 4 how many times it is? 1, 2 and 3. 4 is 3 times. So we will draw just 3 lines and the frequency is 3. Now marks, 5 marks. How many students got 5 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 students got 5 marks. So how will represent in tally marks? 1, 2, 3, 4 and fifth line we will draw like this. So these are 5. So the frequency will be 5. 6 that is 1, 2 and 3 times. So 6, the tally marks will represent like this 3 and the frequency will be 3. Now marks are 7. How many times 7 occurring? 1 and 2. So in frequency we will represent like this tally marks and it is 2. Now 8 is how many times? Only one time. So it is 1 and 1. Now 9. The 9 is only one time. So in tally marks just we will draw one line and frequency is 1. The frequency, number of students, without doing actual addition we can say we have already added these are number of students are 20. So frequency will be 20. Now which is the highest mark? The highest marks are 9. So the solution of first question will be 9 marks. Highest marks are 9. Which number is the lowest? Means सबसे कम marks कौन से हैं? That is 1 mark. That is 1 mark is lowest. And what is the range? As we already told, the range is highest value minus the lowest value. Lowest value, that is 9 minus 1 and it will be, the range will be 8. So 8 marks is the range. Means जो difference है सबसे ज़्यादा marks और कम marks में, सबसे कम marks में वो 8 marks का difference है. Range is of 8 marks. Now fifth, find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is arithmetic, or simply we can say mean. In mean what we find? Actually we find the average. And what is the formula? That is the sum of all observation. Sum of all observation and divided by number of observations. Sum of all observation means this. Sum of all observation, इन सब का sum करना है. इन सबका सम करना है. सो सम ऑफ ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन दैट इज 4. You can write in ascending order or in descending order or as it is. Okay, now it is 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5. The data as given in question I am writing in this way: 4 plus 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 6 and plus 6 and plus 7, and divided by number of observations are 20. While we are adding these, इनको add करेंगे, that will be 100. That will be 100. So 100 divided by 20, that is 5. तो mean marks of this 5 is the mean. मीन्स अगर उस क्लास के बच्चों के टेस्ट का असेसमेंट करेंगे तो एवरेज है, तो हाईएस्ट मार्क्स 9 है, लोएस्ट मार्क्स 1 है, तो एवरेज मार्क्स ऑफ दिस क्लास इज 5 मार्क्स. तो दैट इज द एवरेज और द अर्थमेटिक मीन इज 5 marks.